Best ways to make $100K in 2022. Making $100,000 per year is a common goal for many individuals. Making six figures may entail being able to buy the car of their dreams or retiring sooner than intended for some. For others, it may simply mean having enough money to live comfortably and provide for their family. Whatever your motive for wanting to make $100,000 per year, there are several options. This video will go through 5 various ways you can make $100,000 in 2022. 1. Create an online store. The beautiful thing about online businesses is that you can start small and turn it into a multi-million-dollar enterprise. Fashion Nova, for example, had $400 million in revenue in 2019. To begin, you must select a niche and develop a product line that you can market. Then you must create a website and begin selling your stuff. To start, you may choose a platform such as Shopify or a WordPress plugin such as WooCommerce. Then, to take payments, you'll need to select a payment processor such as PayPal or Stripe. Finally, you may launch your business and begin selling things. 2. Start a podcast. Podcasting is another wonderful kind of content production that, if done right, may help you reach your goal of generating $100,000 per year. You may generate money through podcasting in a variety of ways. The first is through sponsorships from firms ready to pay you to promote their products or services on your program. You can also earn money through affiliate marketing by promoting items or services on your podcast and earning a commission on each transaction that you enable. Some podcasters make hundreds of thousands of dollars every month from their shows, so it's obviously a feasible choice if you're trying to make some serious money. 3. Change your career. Changing careers is one of the easiest ways to start earning a six-figure paycheck. If you're currently working in a low-paying career, switching to a high-paying profession can significantly increase your wages. Medicine, law, finance, and technology are just a few of the industries that pay six figures. Making a transition might be the greatest approach for you to start earning a $100,000 income if you have the ambition to master a new skill set necessary for a high-paying job. Changing jobs is, of course, a significant step. If you're not sure if it's the appropriate step for you, talk to someone who is presently working in the position you're thinking of moving to. 4. Freelance. Another way to make $100,000 per year is to freelance. This might be an excellent method to get started in your profession without committing to a full-time employment. Of course, freelancing has its own set of difficulties. For starters, you must be skilled in time management and self-motivation. You must also be comfortable selling yourself and obtaining new clients on a consistent basis. However, if you're prepared to put in the effort, freelancing may be a terrific way to make a solid livelihood while still having the freedom to select your own projects and clients. 5. Make investment income. Although investing is one of the best methods to accumulate wealth over time, earning $100,000 from it may be challenging initially. To create $100,000 return on your assets each year, you'll need a lot of money. However, investing in real estate may provide you with this income faster than most other assets. Rental properties are a terrific method to create money, especially if you can buy them for less than market value and rent them out for more. Investing in dividend stocks is another possibility. These are equities that pay out regular dividends and can offer you with a source of passive income. To make $100,000 through investing, you must begin with a substantial chunk of money. However, your investment income will compound over time, allowing you to reach your objective. I hope this video has given you some ideas for making $100,000 this year. If you enjoyed, do not forget to subscribe and you'll never miss a video from us. Thanks for watching.